her to Bombay. And after she comes to an agreement, then what she does is, again she goes back to the Supreme Court, transfers it back to Bangalore. Now at page number 91.
He numbered as 2025.
Yes, my lord. So now I'm running from pillar to post, and for the past 8 years, every week, I work as the CEO, Technical Department, IIM Delhi, set up by the Government of India. I'm the CEO. Now every week I fly down and see the cost title. I've taken a house in the same complex. She's at tower, I'm at tower 1, she's at tower 10. Every week I've been flying down to see my child. She doesn't do that. All my emails that I sent to her, she shows it to the child. Yesterday I get a call from my child. I was this zone. I couldn't pick up my call. No signal zone. 20 calls. And the child tells me that you have lost a friend. You have lost a son. He's been tutored so much. For what reason?
What he says?
You have lost a friend. You have lost a son. Why are you lying to me? Then when I asked him, what are the lies I've given? The phone is cut abruptly and she doesn't pick the call. All the emails that I sent to her, she's showing it to the child. Now, at page number 91, in fact, this sharp unfair practices copy is given to me, but only till page number 81. And yesterday at 6:40, she sends an email with the entire file. Be that it may be,
It was a mistake. It was a.
Yes.
At page number 91, Supreme Court transfer petition. Para number 8, the last 3 lines I would read. It was expected that the parties will amicably resolve the dispute, especially when the petitioner wife has not sought for financial assistance for herself or the child. Now, at para number 12, my lord, of the same transfer petition, which is at page number 93, the transferee court shall make a fresh attempt for amicable settlement of the dispute between the parties through mediation. In this regard, the transferee court shall consider the respondent's prayer for visitation rights and interim custody of the child, keeping in view the best interest and welfare of the child in mind. Trial court has rightly passed the orders. I asked from 20th to 7th. The court is given from 29th because she said the child is going to Hyderabad. Okay, the child went to Hyderabad and came back on some excursion trip. Now, every week I'm coming. I'm spending so much. She does not want financial assistance. In spite of that, I've got his permission to stay that 50% of education we're ready to pay. But why is she not showing me the child? Is because there was a male partner. There was allegations of adultery. She's traveled and I traveled behind.
His allegation, she's been living with her
What is this?
parents from 2017.
Same attitude in the court. She won't let me speak.
From the beginning with one allegation, adultery.
I did not want to bring that up over here. It is
even questioning the morals of the petitioner and her entire family. So, which is why such a man should not be given full week. Last time they came and said he only lives here. He does not live anywhere else.
Welfare of the child is of paramount concern.
She's on the court to hear the matter. There is a procedure in this court to hear.
I apologize.
Yes.
Welfare of the child is of paramount concern. See the grounds. Danger. 2016, she has given some statement to the police. Over there, I may read it out at page number 81. Yesterday night, in the intervening night, so-and-so date, I received a call from my husband saying that he shall end his life as well as the life of our son. These are all allegations that need to be proved. She has to produce the recordings. Nothing, no FIR file, nothing. And then she's running around from Bangalore to Bombay, Bombay back to Bangalore, misleading the Supreme Court also. When she has given submissions over there. And the court, Supreme Court has also stated that the court shall consider the application. And you tutor the child's mind. You show him all the emails. I get calls from him. Where are we heading, my lord? She doesn't want me to spend time with my child. And he's a boy child, 13. There's no drastic allegations. There's no allegations of any sexual conduct, nothing of that sort. She just doesn't want me to spend time with the child. She's using the child as ammunition, my lord.
My lords, may I just make a submission?
And she says that I'm living in Delhi. She's filed this writ petition, page number 4. My address is Bangalore.
Yes, I have.
My address is
I
Bangalore.
have the photographs of his job, of his office in IIT Delhi.
I am the CEO. I am the
Let him
CEO.
put on affidavit. His entire future will be compromised because he's CEO of IIT Innovation Hub based in management studies.
Saying so.
Yes, I'm admitting that.
Please.
Where is he denying it? He says he's working in Delhi. And he's coming down to Bangalore.
Yes, and just I just want to make one more submission. He is saying I'm not allowing him to meet the child, which is completely incorrect.
Why should he see the child only for half an hour when he's coming down to Bangalore
for this,
2 weeks?
Yes.
No, you have traveled to Bombay, Bombay to Bangalore, Bangalore to Bombay, again to Bangalore, and he's going around the courts and he's making all the efforts to come from Delhi to to Bangalore. Why is he not permitted to see the child? Only why is it for half an hour?
Please, Malot, in fact,
whatever has happened,
never
whatever has happened, it has happened. when the child was 3.5 years old. Unless and until the mother tells him what has happened, he wouldn't be knowing it. So we have to presume that the mother is polluting the mind of the child with unnecessary details which he doesn't have to, which are not at all required for the child.
Well, it's not at all. In fact, I'm the one who set up Google Hangout so that child can speak to his parents. I have set up a WhatsApp group, Google Hangout, so that he can speak to the child.
You shouldn't be aggrieved by this.
Well, but all I'm asking is that then my lords may just speak to the child, because the child is he's crying all night at the thought of going to father, or overnight. Yes, Manoj, may I say overnight custody may not be given. Let him come meet the child during the day, however long he wants. But the thought of being outside of and staying in this man's house where he's not lived till now, it would be for 7 days continuously out
why
of
the
the
son is calling the father with all this, when why the mother is trying to show what has happened between them to the child? Is it not detrimental to the interest of the minor?
She has never done that. She has not done that.
If she has not done it, when they have not lived together from the age of 3.5 years, no child will remember the things that had happened at age of 3 till 12.
Well, no, whatever it is, can it be done steadily? That is all I'm asking. Overnight, suddenly dragging a child.
How it will happen? There should be a change from your client's side. Let her keep all her emotions, all her pains to herself.
In the meantime,
because neither of the parents
have
any
right. Yes, all I'm asking is, if a short date can be given in the interim, let the child just be spoken to once. My lords, and then
I know what will, even if the court speaks to the child, what is that he will tell that I can understand?
Because Manoj, if he's going to be,
so many children.
Yes, Manoj, all I'm saying is, suppose he's going to be crying all night for 1 week. Is that what we want? Supreme Court has repeatedly held, including Section 13 of the HMGA, it is no order against the welfare of the child. Even in this particular order read,
if the court feels that, this court is of the view that the manner in which the child is, tutored is not in the welfare of the child.
No, he is not tutored.
Court has to look at the interest. Please tell one thing to the court. Father is bad. He's a bad husband. He did so many things to the wife.
Yes.
Domestic violence is there. When all this has happened, the child was 3.5 years old. After that, they were never staying together. On and off, as you submit, he's having the visitation for just half an hour. In that half an hour, what the child understood about how bad is he, about all these things, unless and until the mother is telling him about what has happened, what is he, and what is happening between them.
No, she does not. In fact, that's what I'm saying. I am the one who's constantly telling him. In fact, when I moved here to Prestige Shanti Niketan, I'm the one who even helped him get a house.
And something is happening for 24 hours, you're telling him something, and for 10 minutes you tell him go and meet the father.
I was just that, because that is the outcome of what I prepared him for. I told him that he will have to go and spend time with his father next week. In fact, on Ganesha, I told him, go with your father in the apartment complex and see the festival. So he refused and he shut himself in the door.
Meet? 24 hours, like whenever he is with you, you're going around showing him all the emails, talking to him.
That is a complete lie. I have never done that.
Why is he understanding? Then what is unless and until something is shown to him, he doesn't have any one-to-one contact with the father to understand, or he's not showing the emails, he's not showing.
All I'm requesting is, let it be done with some balance.
First of all, there should be a change from your client. Let her show the, let her make the child understand the things in a positive way. And she has to understand she's doing all this at the risk of his future, his welfare.
Yes, Manoj, all that I can place on record. There is an entire history of their conversation with each other. She has never stopped it, because it's all now online. I can put all that showing that I have relaxed.
Let it continue. Let the father
but not overnight custody. That's my only ask today. If it cannot be over, or maybe one night overnight custody.
Forget all that. What is told by mother if he is with the father?
Manoj,
if he is completely with the father, you may lose in touch with what all bad things about the father.
Well, it's not that. I think he will be traumatized. There's nothing else. Let us, as I will bow down to what this court is saying, let us, say fine, let the child also, because as I said, she herself is saying, she herself has opened out, kept these avenues open throughout. And so all I'm seeking today is that let the child not be traumatized, that 1 week just for between
Why is he being traumatized? What did the father did to traumatize him? Tell one reason that I want to know.
He's not comfortable with the father. So let that process begin.
That's one common word, not comfortable. For not being comfortable, there are reasons. And what are the reasons? Reason is prompting by the mother.
No, it's not at
Nothing
all.
else.
Not at all. So all I'm saying is let there be a balance. That's my only request today. Otherwise, even in this order, it says that the welfare of the child is, in fact, there should be no adverse psychological effect on the child. That's what the Supreme Court has held in this particular matter.
First of all, let us understand the facts than the law.
Yes. So
The law by the Supreme Court or this court has to be applied to the facts of the case. So as it is, we can't apply it.
please, Manoj, as I said, there is no problem. 29th to, and that too, on 6th, his school reopens. But despite that, the judge is given till 5th evening. And he's,
That we can change.
yes. So
That
all
we
I'm
can-
asking is that overnight custody can be 1 day. Rest, because anyway, he's in
Father,
Delhi.
let the child also has,
I'm sorry.
let him enjoy the company of the father in Delhi.
Fine,
Let
fine.
him-
So maybe 1 day at the beginning, maybe Monday night and Friday night. Rest of the days, because anyway, he himself is in Delhi. Rest of the days, let him come whenever he wants during the day.
But that's what he has been doing. That's
Or-
what he has
or-
been
or-
doing from
Manoj,
years.
all I'm saying is let it be 2 nights. Let us start with this. Child is only 13 now.
No.
Yes. And
It is happened. That's why I asked you the details of how it is happening. Right from 2016 till 2025.
Yes.
This weekend business is going on. He's coming down, he's seeing the child, but it's not making any difference. As you say, we have to take it slowly. We have to understand the psychology. Now, what is happening is, no, the more he's growing up now, he's 13 years old. What could not happen between 3.5 and 13? What would happen now? Unless and until he's given enough time with the father, away from the mother.
yes, Manoj, this can be taken. All I'm saying is let it be taken slowly. Through the day,
How slow you want it?
Manoj, suppose it works out, then the advantage is for him. Because maybe next vacation he can say, fine, 2 nights the child was fine. That's all I'm asking. He's a 13-year-old boy. He's at
13
that,
years is in the today's era. 13 years is too independent and too old.
yes, absolutely.
Not
Which is why
too young that
which
he-
is
he
why
has-
he also has a mind of his own. And no parent, no grandparent can tell him. But also, all I'm saying is let it be for 2 nights, and rest of the time let him come whenever. That's my only request today. And then Manoj, and in the meantime, this matter can also be mediated. She's not asking for alimony. Let it be closed 10 years.
Why is it not closed till now?
I'm sorry,
Why is it not?
Manoj. I don't know. Respondent has refused.
Yes. What is?
She has filed a divorce case. Let
Oh.
everything be settled, my lord. And also, with regard to the child, he's independent enough to stay out. On her own submission, he has gone to Hyderabad on a school excursion from 20th to 23rd of September. From 20th to 23rd of September. Already what I've requested has been watered down, my lord. Now, and 5th, 6th, the school is reopening, but this is not the academic year. It is just a continuation. So there's just after the exams, this is. So he's not going to lose out on any of the syllabus, my lord. Spending some time with me, he's not going to spend. And I have to take him and meet all my relatives also.
Manoj, all that can happen slowly. All I'm saying, this is the first time it's happening. He's a 13-year-old boy.
No, don't have to say
Yes.
it again.
So all I'm saying is, Manoj, he will really be very sad and upset. So do we want, even for the father should try to say, okay, fine, let me not pressurize him and make him be crying all night without his mother.
No, father do not want the child to cry all night. He
Yes.
will take care of him. Don't
So
worry.
Manoj, all I'm saying is let it just be 2 nights, and during the week he can come and meet the child whenever he wants. Anyway, he's living in Tower. Yes.
When the child is with me, I don't mind her calling at any time, my lord. Video call or voice call.
When the holidays were starting for the child?
It's already started on the 20th of September.
Hmm.
So last 1 week is past.
So he has gone to Hyderabad and come back and he's
He
spending
went on
time.
a school trip. Yes, that was booked in July. I have paid for the entire thing. Per year, I'm paying close to 8 lakhs for the child's school in Greenwood High School, he's in 8th grade now. And the father only now suddenly he wakes up from his sleep and says, okay, I will give half tuition or what. Yes.
Let's not go into all that.
No, the child's birthday is on the 3rd of October. So if he can be with the mother on that day.
1 minute. What we do is, the child you can have the custody of the child on 27th, 28th, 29th, and 30th. let him, you please, on 31st and 1st happens to be Saturday and Sunday. So as it is holiday for you also, you come down and then celebrate the child's birthday on 2nd and 3rd, or if you celebrate on 2nd or on 3rd, till 3rd you have the, I mean, 3rd is the child's birthday. So 31st and 1st also here in Bangalore have the day visitation, day custody, night custody will be with the mother, celebrate the birthday together and you can leave.
My lordship,
So,
he has traveled with his friends, having night custody, not a girl child, boy child, 13 years old. He needs the father, he needs
You're
to
going to
understand the
have it
father.
in Delhi, 27, 28, 29 and 30.
No, it's Delhi, he's not
Delhi,
even asked.
obliged.
His whole ask is only in Bangalore.
That is to take
He's
the
not
child.
even asked. He himself is saying he's always permanently.
No, where did the court say?
Custody, give him
Custody, and
interim
that his
custody.
address is clearly only,
Where is that application? Where is the application?
I'm the one who has brought up the fact that he was in Delhi. In fact,
No, let's read it. What did he say?
I've asked for 29, 2025 to 7/10, 7/10,
Granting
2022. That being
sole and
part of the
permanent minor child to his
unsupervised
father.
and independent custody of the minor child.
Respondent not to leave or take away the minor child from the jurisdiction without permission orders from this, the respondent forthwith return the minor child to the custody of his father. Yes, so it is in Bangalore. So you can have exclusive custody on 27, 28, 29, 30th.
well,
Obliged.
till 29th
Obliged, my lord.
it will be too much, 4
Yeah,
days.
and 31st and 1st, let it be a day visitation, day custody. In the night, let it be with the mother. Then on 2nd or 3rd, whichever is the day, if the birthday is on 3rd, if you want to celebrate birthday on 2nd, you celebrate. 3rd, you will be with the mother. Or you want to celebrate it on 3rd, 3rd we will grant.
One request, my lord. 27, 28, 29, 30, I'll have custody of the child. 31st and 1st, I will have day custody. On 2nd, if I may be permitted to take my child in the morning and return him at 1 o'clock on 3rd, so that intervening
No,
night,
Manoj, that is
birthday
too much.
night, this will be the first birthday I'm spending after so many years. I want to spend.
We'll do that something. On 2nd, you
Second
take
morning,
him-
I'll take the child, return him.
take him in the evening at 7 o'clock, drop him back on 3rd morning.
Yes, my lord.
And she will celebrate
At
the
around
birthday
11
on
o'clock, I'll
3rd.
drop him.
You celebrate the birthday in the night.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Manoj, the child also has classes. So
Classes when?
he has classes at 5 p.m. I have put it in
He
my.
will take him to the classes wherever it is. He's here. He will take him to the class wherever it is.
All right, he may come. Manoj, but can
Whatever are his academic
Yes, well, Manoj,
extracurricular.
may it not be on 2nd because his birthday was on 3rd. Anyway, there are 4.
No. 3rd, let mother celebrate the birthday. 2nd night, he will celebrate.
All right, then can it only be 27th and 28th? Just to give some, Manoj, I'm just asking, let there be some balance. That is my,
The court has already balanced.
I'm sorry.
The court has already balanced.
Manoj, yes, but can it not be till 30th? Then it's as good as giving the entire week to the father. So my only request is let it be
Order
2
passed
nights, 3 nights in total.
I number 3. It is like, is it a tour package? 3 nights, 4 days.
Please,
Agreed
Manoj,
with the
I'm
orders
trying to
passed in
minimize
line number
the,
3
yes,
in
the
chain
trouble to
number
the child. That is
42
me.
of 2025, whereby the court had granted the complete custody to the father from 29/9/2025 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 6/4 on till 5/10/2025 6 p.m. The mother is before this court. The court in the order has also observed that the father has to take care of the child, including the health issues of the child, and inform the mother with regard to ill health during his custody. And he has to drop the child to the house of the wife to the mother on 5/10/2025 at 6 p.m. Next parallel. And counsel appearing to the respondent, the petitioner mother submits that the boy is 13 years. The dispute started between the